Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can cut out a part of your video. If you have a video and you have a certain part of the video that you want to cut out, this is the perfect way to do so. Stick along to find out more. So the first step of how to trim your video or how to cut your video would be to log on to typito.com. So all you have to do is do a quick Google search of Typito, click on the first link. That will automatically open up your workspace. Now, if you don't already have an account, you can just create one for free. Now that we are on our dashboard, click Create New Project and choose a format that works best for you. In this case, I'm going to go ahead with the 16:9 widescreen. Click Create. This will prompt me to upload my media. I'm going to go ahead and click Browse Media and upload my file. Now that our media has uploaded, let's start editing. This is what your Typito dashboard looks like. Click play to preview what your video looks like. Right here is where I want to cut my video. I want to cut a couple of seconds off this video. So to ensure that I do it accurately, I go ahead and zoom into the timeline ever so slightly and click play again to make sure I've done it at the right position. So here I would have to scroll a little behind and I'm going to click play from here. Yep, this is exactly where I want to cut my video. I place the playhead exactly where I want to cut it and click the scissor icon. This will cut my video. Continue to play the video. And this is where I want to cut it again. So here, I'm going to zoom out of my timeline. As you can see, I'm cutting 4 seconds off my video. Now all I need to do is delete this particular section out of my video. So I click the delete option right here and I'll click play just to see what our video looks like. If you want to add a transition between your videos, you can do that as well. As of now, there are no transitions, but I would like a cross dissolve. So I go ahead and click play. And there you go, the video, you have just now cut a part of your video from the middle. If you like the preview, all you have to do is click the export button and you're done. And that is how you cut your video. If you have any questions regarding how to cut your video, leave them down in the comments down below. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here and see you next time. Thank you.